All right, we're over here. This is where we started our day. I just showed you guys we're at the second job where we're just sneaking the van in. I'll show you guys here our second job, our first job of where we started. We're in the town of Windsor. The province is Quebec. The country is Canada. Got this one all done here. We did across the street last week. I'll go over in there and get that top over there. Sebastian's up there doing that nice top. Jill's doing that one there. I guess I have to get that corner. I guess I didn't get it very good over from the other side. Come along with us. We'll show you guys a bit what it's like trimming a cedar hedge in the town where we cut in the province. We're in the province of Quebec, like I said. All right, enjoy, you guys. Come along. It's coming along really good. Looking really nice. We're just doing that part there. We're not doing anything else here at this one. So we probably got half a day at Windsor. For some reason, the office scheduled us another half a day. Then we're gonna do going back to Sherbrooke, but we're gonna be doing it on the outskirts of Sherbrooke, the town where we are. So it's only like 12 minutes from here, not even. Probably quicker to go there than it is to go from one end to the other in town. All right, show you guys over here. We got a great big wave over there, I can see. Nothing we can do about it. It looks like there's two sets of hedges. I'll go over and show you guys. All right, so here's our little pile of hedge. You guys can see that one we did there. That's where we had lunch. Also, we did the one down in the corner. I don't know if we'll see it from here. Right on the corner of the street down there. Yeah, right down there. You can see that one. We did that one too. So you guys come along with us for this adventure today. Enjoy. Just gonna show you guys this job here we did. We also did this one over here. We did this big one here. You can see how the hedges behind it are in rough shape. They're all like waved up. That's the snow in the winter starting to crush them. See all the waves in that? Not much we can do for that. Over on the other side here, looks a little better. The guys are down on the corner down there doing a job. So I thought I'd sneak up here and show you guys without all the noise. So you can see we do this one, we do the one straight back over there we just did, and the one on the left right there, this house here. All right, let's go see what else we can get into. All right, just getting down to this one here. Don't look like there's anybody here. I'll go put their bill. Got their bill right here. I'll put it in their mailbox. I'll show you guys here on the back side. Yeah, it's raining cedar. That's a nice big one here. Customer asked me, he says, hey, he goes, don't cut this little end over here. He goes, these are cedars we planted later on, and it makes it so that the line is not straight. It's about a foot difference. So from here all the way down to where we see the ribbon, we won't cut that. Alright, we'll go do the other side. I'll get my machine. The boys are rolling it. I'll get over there. So you can see down there where he got it done. You guys can see the difference there. I'm gonna do this one over here too, so I'll get started on that. All right, we're just finishing up here. We're having lunch at the same time. It's gonna be a short week this week. A holiday on Monday. We got 2 weeks in a row that are holidays on Monday. Guess there's a dog next door here. That big one. Oh, I don't know what's going on with the pool. Something in the pool, huh? Full of beer. All right, we'll go see on the other side how everything looks over there. Gonna be a nice week this week. Not gonna be crazy heat like we've had. Là-bas, on a pété deux bords. Just want to make sure they did both sides over the neighbors. Oh, that's who was barking. The security system. Alright, well, I'm not going to go any closer with him there. You guys get an idea what's going on here. All right, let's head over next one. All right, we're doing this one here. I'll get a quick shot of it before we get started. Got the bucket trucks. Got this big one here. We do that, we do this one here, and we do that one over there. That one over there, we don't do the top though. All right, we'll fix this all up, make it look good, show you guys as we go along here. If you guys are enjoying these videos, look at that electrical wire. We'll have to cut under that, make sure that looks good. All right. Just finishing this one up here. Sort of vans were in the last images you saw. Got this one all done. That one over there we can't do the top because he's got his water line and his septic tanks are right over there, so we can't get any boom vans in, so we just go up as much as we can. We go all the way up to the top, but we can't do the top. The first part here, he says 8 foot. All right, looking good. Alright, Brian's over here, Sebastian's over there. We're doing the high school in Bromptonville. This is a private high school, so this is not going to be the same as all the other schools we do. That's for the school board. This here's a private one. There might be like 10 private ones in town here, between the boys and the girls. So we did here, as you can see, all the way down, probably 1,000 feet down. I'll ask Matthew if he needs some help on the rate. He might need some help. If he does, I'll send Sam with him. You need some help on the rate? You guys are okay to want Sam? Yeah, here you go. Sam! 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 It's a good way to bring it. All right, so we'll go do in front of the sign there. Jill. Oh, on met étoile. Alright, we're gonna put a tarp here since they see that they put all their mulch. See where they put all those little trees? We did a bunch of stumps there last year, but it looks like they put some maple trees there. So we got the whole front of the school, we got all this here, then we got way over on the other side, and we got some down in the back over there. I don't know if we'll have time to finish it today. If not, we'll finish it up tomorrow. Trimming a high school. Everything's looking good. I'm gonna just walk around, show you guys. Hey, Tash up. There's higher. Alright, you was telling me you're missing a chainsaw. I said no, it's at the shop. It's on the counter. It's 201. It's broke. Won't start. Alright, we'll get over here. We'll take a look, see how this looks over here. Those bushes came out good. Yeah, it looks pretty good for what they are. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, or subscribe, or all that great stuff. Let's see, we're at about 33,000. It's going pretty well. I'm very happy with what we got going on. You see he's bringing a load. I'm gonna put it out front. Boys putting stuff away. It's gonna be it for today. All right, adios, amigos.